How to log in Walmart MasterCard account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Walmart MasterCard account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your preferred web browser. Then at the top search bar type in www.walmart.ca. Once you have done that, you will land onto its official website. Now here tap on three bar icon on your top left and tap on sign in or create account. At this section, to get logged into your account, simply type in your email address. Once done, tap on to continue. And in case you don't have an account, it will show you this page. But in case you already have an account, it will show you the page of your password. Just type in your password and then tap on to log in. And if your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your account. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.